Yeah, exactly. Look at that. Right, so what's it saying? 12 kilometers to San Bernardino. We'll do the San Bernardino pass. Climb on up to the Furka. Look at that. Tunnel. Tunnels galore. Oh, this is the long one we came through. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Ricardo, you alright? Josh, you're pretty close now. Yeah. Cool. It's about 30 miles. Yeah. Right, so this begins a climb to the San Bernardino. Look, Ricardo, you probably can see it on your maps, can't you? This is what, sorry, I didn't hear that. Look at that view. Yeah. Look at the view to the right, just down between the valleys. Let me know if a car's coming. Yeah. Two up coming, very fast. He's bombing it, he's gonna go past you. He's gonna come past you. Two up behind you, coming quick. Clearly a local. He might even wheelie past you. I don't know if it's a child or a very small woman on the back. Has he gone past you? No, it's not an MT, I don't think. It wasn't an MT, I don't think. Tell me if there's a car coming, because I can't quite see anything. And I'm just using up all of the road. I'm just loving the view down here between these. What'd you say? Oh, took that very wide. No cars coming? Right, are we at the top now? We must be. Roadworks. Stopping. Traffic. Oh no. Okay. Where's Steve? Where's Steve? Oh, there you are. Yeah, go on quick. Yeah, he's stopping. Look at this. Look at this. I think we just carry on. This is just the pass route to the other. That motorway down the bottom was just a bit of a look at this. Yeah, we just keep still going. This is en route basically. The San Bernardino as we head to the Furka. Oh, Dutch. Oh, yeah. Is there cars coming, Ricardo? Oh, okay. Couldn't see around that bend. Is there a car coming? No? Okay, cool. These are short, sharp switches, aren't they? Oh, hold on a second. There you go, San Bernardino. No, it's okay. Sorry, I was going slow. I just stopped there. Sorry, I'm coming. Right, just got the official San Bernardino sign in. God, look at this lake. Gorgeous, isn't it? I know. It's like we'll have more places. Oh, you want to stop? Okay, cool. Yeah. No, I'm happy to. Yeah, like this. God. Yeah. Mate, we got to drop them thirst traps. Got to keep people happy. Yeah, quick one. Look at this. CBR, Honda. Back end of the San Bernardino. Look at that view. You turn your camera off and then you want to turn it straight back on again because like this view. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, it's just, look at this. Oh shit. I was on the total wrong side of the road there trying to use all the space and then the bike came up quick. Look at this. Yeah, look at the switchbacks. My God. After the first one, though, after Splugen, because they were quite long as well, everything else seems a bit shorter and a bit more manageable. I know. Lovely road, isn't it? It's like, who thought of doing this road? You could have just done a bit of a street bit and then an up bit and then a down bit. Where's the ski lift? Oh yeah, on the left. Yeah, I think you're right actually. Most of these would have ski lifts or cable cart type things. Look at that. Right, I need to catch up with the other guys. Stuck behind this caravan. Can't overtake yet. Tunnel, mountain, just galore. It's like in particular, but it's just the road, and it's just through these mountains, and this stuff. Look at this. Look at that. There they are. I got caught back, held back by some traffic. I think that's them. I can see you guys. I can see you guys. I can see you guys. Yeah. Slow it down a little bit because obviously I can't speed. Look at this. Right. Look at this bridge. This bend. Oh. Look at, what is this madness? Little fall over there. Oh, okay, right, focus. Let me catch up. It is 25 degrees. Look at that.